They call me Mr. Tips.
Tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Calling my feelings are dried up, but everything changed with me and you. Now we couldn't be right enough. We're walking hand in hand, fingers locked, no doubts or questions. You even met the fam and passed all of my mom's inspections. I got the go-ahead from your pops, and I forgot to mention, your pastor said that this is God-ordained divine selection. I used to pray for you way before I knew your name. I almost cried when you told me that you did the same. I might second guess and wonder how this happened. I already know the answer, but sometimes I'll still say, tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Tell me, do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl. Tell me it's for real. Do you love me? Oh. Tell me what you're feeling, girl.
Don't mind me, I just cut myself with meal prep today, but I wanted to do a fun routine style video for you guys just so you could see how to balance your life essentially when it comes down to your workflow versus your health and your wellness and your home life, making sure that you have a clean environment that makes you feel motivated. So I just meal prepped some extra ingredients that I had left over from my HelloFresh delivery last week because I get an abundance of food for like 4 people, so sometimes I don't use everything up. So I just defrosted the pork tenderloin that I had and whipped up a similar recipe to the recipe card, except I did like a honey cumin seasoned pork versus the chimichurri. So if you guys want a full-blown video on that, definitely check it out, links down below. And I might still have an active code for you guys to save or get 10, like what was it, 10 free meals on your first month of HelloFresh. So check out the description box. Not sponsored, just wanted to share something that I genuinely use all of the time. And I'm actually waiting for a video to upload. I was doing some planning and editing earlier on today. My internet's so slow, it takes 2 hours. So that gives me enough time to do other things while I wait for that task to be completed. This way I'm not wasting time spent when I could be putting it towards something else. If you guys get my drift, I'm really big into time management, which is why I love and swear by a planner. I plan my grocery list, my meal ideas, my workouts, my videos, my content days versus upload days. So if you want to plan with me, let your girl know down below. And also check out the links in the description box for more info on how I plan and basically my whole planner series. But I'm gonna eat because your girl's hungry.
Why does it hurt so bad? So bad. To lose something I never had, never had. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, try to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Imagination wild like a child. Head and heart can't reconcile. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, try to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, try to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. I think I remember your skin on mine. I think I remember your laugh with mine. I think I remember that you were mine. I'm not sure. We were short, it's been long. Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, try to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, try to move on.
I am back with an outfit change. You know, I could not resist throwing on some Doll Gang merch. Links below so you guys can cop the skirt. Hoodie, I do wear 3X because I like to wear them with biker shorts or thigh-high boots and loungewear and all that stuff. But I'm about to do my vitamin routine right now, take my vitamins and then fill up my weekly pack so that way I don't have to skip a day or get lazy to take vitamins. Like, there's absolutely no way I could forget to take them when I organize them in the little container thing that I have. So I'll link it down below if you guys want it. But I'm gonna take my vitamins to get my skin under control. I shouldn't be touching my face right now, but I have some breakouts going on. Not nice. So I like to do natural ways to keep my skin in check, like the kombucha earlier, taking my vitamins, drinking my water, and then of course paying attention to my skincare and then the diet, like the foods that I'm eating. I kind of had some junk food, which is why I know my skin is acting crazy. It's like, skirt, we don't want that negativity. You know, being healthy is great, but it takes a lot of work, planning, effort, knowledge. You gotta look these things up, why you should be eating the foods that you're eating, why you should be supplementing certain things, you know, why you should be working out. Knowledge is power, you guys. Sorry, that's my chewable vitamin. Imagine opening up every single bottle individually to take your vitamins. Yeah, nobody has the time for that. So that's why this is my go-to for my organization. So we're gonna pop these all open and fill them up. Oh, making a mess. I'm just saying, y'all, the government doesn't want to see us healthy. Why? Because they bank off of the sick. So don't play yourself. Take care of yourself. Now all my vitamins are ready to go every day of the week. So just pop these closed. And I know there looks like there's a lot in here, but they all serve a purpose.
Yes, 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 yes. Eddie got that gas.
I'm about to go get my butt sweaty. That's why I'm wearing this hoodie. About to do a drenching cardio session. But do you see my legs? They're just so tight. I really did quads mostly, and it was just everything I didn't know that I needed, but okay, sorry, me admiring my legs for 2.5 seconds. They're looking pretty nice. All right, goodbye, gym time.
Your booty got that feng shui. It looks fun, I wanna come play.
We're squatting with dumbbells today. I'm trying to increase the weight. I'm trying to lift more, ease my way into it.
It's the weekend, tell me what you want, babe. It's a beautiful situation. No, I don't need no invitation, cause I'm already...
All right, guys, I just left Whole Foods and then I ran to Alfred's and I got a green juice. This one's probably my new fave. Cucumber, celery, apple, kale, spinach, ginger, lemon, parsley. Super green, guys. Take care of yourself. This is my crystal water cooking up. Today I have some, I have some black obsidian. Hi, baby. Just to keep me super grounded. I think Leroy loves sitting here the best because one, he likes to look out the window, but also he's very relaxed with all the crystals surrounding his bed. Can you sit down for the vlog? Can you sit down? Can you sit? Oh, good boy.